Assalamualaikum friends, here is 1300 plus CDR greeting card sign in 4 parts. But these are protected password in my app. iPhone user can contact me, and here is lifetime access, just one time pay, okay? And here is my Facebook page. Last is my Telegram channel. Sheri official, join me. I will provide notification like this one. Okay. Part 1 here is 1000 atom, and that's mean 500 is CDR and 500 is JPG, just part preview. Here is 600, that's mean 300 is CDR, and same thing here, 600, 300 is CDR and 300 is a JPG preview. Here is 200 CDR files. Open part 1, click. First you need unlock layer, press Ctrl U. You see you can change one by one. Okay, that's mean these are editable files. Okay, here is unlock. And you okay, this one. Simply mean you can do anything in CorelDRAW. All files are fully editable. Lisa and James. Okay. Next is vector files. Part 3, part 4. You can edit. Whoa. I hope these are useful for you. Download this app for password. Take care, Allah Hafiz.